In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Elrond future while talking about Egld cost gauge for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to believe this and some other forecast with some hesitancy, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Elrond. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dig profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions in the event that Elrond is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Elrond succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Elrond value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Elrond and its to-date history. What is Elrond? Elrond expects to be the following web-scale blockchain with a high throughput. Elrond is attempting to construct a blockchain that is equipped for 1000x exchange throughput than most existing blockchains. What are Elrond's key elements? 1. Adaptive state sharding. Constant parting and converging of shards as the interest for network limit changes. Whenever, the Elrond blockchain will shuffle between network sharding, exchange sharding, and state sharding, making the organization limit profoundly pliant as client request requires. 2. Secure verification of stake agreement system. In accordance with sharding, the Elrond blockchain chooses different validators inside every shards in each approval round. 3. Elrond VM. The Elrond virtual machine is a committed brilliant agreement execution motor based on WASM. Engineers can expand on the EVM in whichever language they knew about to be accumulated in WASM. How to stake on Elrond. Marking on Elrond should be possible either as a 1. Validator or 2. Delegator, with at least 10 Egld per designation. Validator rewards are circulated consequently. Dynamic delegator rewards are claimable one time each day, with no time limit for claims. Elrond value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unequaled high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a complex way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each undertaking. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2022-12-01 plus 5.49% $43.23. 2022-12-02 plus 1.95% $4178 2022 1203 4.46% $39 15 2022 1204 4.49% $39 14 2022 1205 5.30% $38 81 2022 1206 1.22% $40 48 2022 1207 plus 1.40% $41 55 2022 1208 5.74% $38 63 2022 1209 4.99% $38 93 2022 1210 plus 1.23% $41.48. Exchanging devices. Elrond value forecast 2022. High expansion and very risky full-scale circumstance considered vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with enormous players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will most likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds likewise. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 DAC, 11.58% $36.23 2023 Jan. 25.57% $30.50 2023 Feb. 22.64% $31.70 2023 Blemish. 24.30% $31.02 2023 April. 18.70% $33.32 2023 May. 9.57% $37.06 2023 June. 1.89% $40.20 2023 July. Plus 1.39% $41.55 2023 Aug. 0.07% $40.95 2023 Sep. Plus 6.75% $43.74 2023 Aug. Plus 13.65% $46.57 2023 Na. Plus 18.80% $48.68 EGLD value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees EGLD coming to $80.32 in 2025. What will EGLD be worth in 5 years? The cost of EGLD in 5 years could lie around $74.48. Elrond value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Elrond will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Elrond coming to $200.80 in 2030. What Elrond will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Elrond coming to $401.59 in 2040. Will Elrond supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, Elrond won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Elrond at any point reach $1,000? Indeed, Elrond could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Elrond worth purchasing? We are backers of modestly unsafe financial planning. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with colossal potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, Elrond merits purchasing. Is Elrond a wise venture? Elrond is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous venture. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will Elrond be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach $25.32. In the long haul, it could leap to $200.80 or significantly higher. For what reason will Elrond succeed and get more expensive? Elrond has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Elrond ascending to $200.80 in 2030. For what reason will Elrond fizzle and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the venture, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more effective contenders, absence of very much planned advertising technique, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. How high will Elrond go?